how to increase the video quality in Kodi. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to increase the video quality in Kodi. Alright, so let's begin. So make sure you have the Kodi application installed, and then once you're done with that, open it up. And then what you want to do is go to add-ons, click on download, go to video, play your input stream, and make sure you have this add-on right here, the input stream adaptive. Make sure you have this installed, and then once it's done installed, just click go back, go to my add-ons, go to video player input stream, click on it, and then click on configure. And then from here input the resolution that you want for your videos. So to set the maximum resolution, just click on the arrows right here. So if you want your resolution to be 2K or 4K, just keep on pressing the arrows. And when you download this ad, on the maximum resolution will be set to auto, so just change it to the resolution of your liking. So for example, just set it to 1080p, and then you should also set this one as well, the maximum resolution for DRM videos. Set that to the resolution of your liking, and then you are done. Yeah, that is pretty much it on how to increase the video quality in Kodi. And yet to save, just click on OK. Just go back and then just restart the app, and then you can now watch your videos in the quality that you want. So that's basically how you can increase the video quality in Kodi. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.